McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's kitchen. Brina so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And I'm Mr. I wish you. I was here for McBrown's kitchen here. I didn't pay there. Me wa munyi na afishi apa. Afisa sene da so temkwam. Na afi we de nyame ayama e de be kan se asedan kan din. Enye nipa nyina na nya ne sei. Na ya da so te asede a na ne ya asedan ko a McBrown's kitchen ediane pa ede na wo hwe ma ho fama ya me di gina ha ya bibia ankyere senye bronya ye di bronya ankasa hwe ka yi mu deko hwe me ami nipa dua na me di aseda ma high sense everyday prices for everyday people. High sense promo intibora showroom ubenya fridge, TV, air condition, gas cooker, chesabi beer iron, and am product, busu showroom na. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Yeah, mama fish shapa. Tasty Tom, the only tomato mixer, vitamins and fiber. Whoa. And 1 year, Tasty Tom. Aye. Tasty Tom na midi hu adanse yi. Ya mamu nyina fish apa ene oda mo yi akire yen e wa fi nyina mu. Be free Tasty Tom pe na me kodile mackerel and sardine. And the only if you are not tewa ai ono so come McBrown's kitchen busuako no ho. Ai if you ono so ma wa fish apa. Na he ma express amintimi bi emisuo no so ntino. Ene me de hye na maka mo say high sense fridge na mabia wi awake mineral water awake one for life royal drinks royal apple royal cocktail royal orange royal cola royal red grape ni nyina bi wo mi fridge mu na awake nsuo die dodo a beto no eno na kasapreko ehwe ho ede yi ntoboa pi ede koboa kolebu cardiothoracic center. And that nyame anim ni eye bronya dia wumpo and net 23rd ya wote ase dia wumpo eye bronya na say dem gina Christmas tree na gina ha no deco from above ba mata dia eye kofi akotoa and na pam hwe nyame anim draw me say many makeup dem munim say aligina na ye ndada na awora na me ahwe manika na me de aseda manyonyo chichi aduane pafie ai se bronya yi woni aha hwehwe chichi no nya chicken salad ne me hwehwe fridge mawo what ase sa na tenkom so won chansen papa na lapam royal beach de abusuafo bronya yi ho ne ye sweme ho ne ye koda ho ne ye kodidi ho ne ye conference ho ne ye parties what ase fankola no pie kakra mesrawo menu mabuafo nyina ma afishapa nene obroni fita na mene ba be no aduane itimu ma mentwa me hu sesi amra meba no na obroni papa na mebeda na die muhume de me shanya aduane na se minyi meba sesi a wo mabusia mo no obia pa de pa bebre
I'm home.
Me dear, ade pe bia ye ma mebusia no. Me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a. Me use so Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber. Ye ma nipadua no wo mu. When you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enriched Tasty Tom tomato mixer vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty Tom emediane yede eyema oso. High sense bronya
Promotional, house and government, sound system, gas cooker, washing machine, mobile phones, much of myself. Johnny Mudano, Nafi Brunia, house and Sadama, TV, fridge, this is and the air condition. Yeah, take the summer with you.
Where can Matiso? Madam Hisense, Mr. Bora Hisense showroom. Vivian was showroom, Mobia. Matete
We are sure.
Me are sure.
Nina.
Sabroina Busumi Wemu. Bora Hisense showroom. And a game shop Bia. Not a Hisense product for D.O.B. Bronya. Everything 8 December. I come 8 January. Matete so. Matete Bibia to say.
Madam Hisense.
Hisense never now.
Oh, I am me.
351251.
Abusuafo me mama kwa babio sa mama official pakase na me damo asiafi mu because McBrown's kitchen ye ba ye no ana ye PM TV so no 1 year mu ani last week nenya exactly 1 year inti ana ye di bronya ye di awoda so wote ase ai wo de ma menyi we na mabre kra ye di awoda die abusuafo me pagya cake ya kira mo in the name of McBrown's kitchen. Cake free ya YAH me can for ya ma say borura ho ice cream fuller assorted noodles fried rice ice cream ahodo say ice cake ya for nyame hyramo me damo ase enam ni nua broni bi e be twie nu papa na we eni abotre this am the coffee fridge yes me dey share fridge mu kama abusafo McBrown's kitchen bronya nkwan ne e ba be bon na bisa me say why na ebe bo bronya nkwan no abusuafo ye mfa ni je nhia o broni Vivian Jill we ko gig nana ma concert choma mebre na untumefo
me jo ha me hwa wa na ya semo
we ya hu hwe nye ye wo
ya fan sa
o broni official pa Ghana for afede makoma atomoyam said the nkrofo tete me na da oni Vivian wa semwana and na mo fa Vivian Jill ma na nkranfo nkwa na mo ye adwuma Vivian wa ba McBrown's kitchen na da no ensuo toye ye ntumi anye ene say enne na nyame say enne ne mrepa no obroni
sister
chicken ta oto okay you say no
half scrum
it necessary me kura beden
me fato me so nye mentimi nyankwan we ne shawa unu so mesere
ade masa akoko nana
nya akoko back bi
obroni me nyini chenwo yesterday I was here Vivian Jill Lawrence Obapa bromi dem friend of broni nti aka o ya akwa ba bi o ye nso o fridge mo
ye be kasa
nti won we so chill say bonu oga
feel
asan for the etrimoni me person fifre beto say de ho asi aye fe no aba begina no ye ni kan horo ye nsa
I mean you may ring snacks
yeah jeka crayon how do you feel
ne
what's your so
just my force ya
transition so obi be bisa say na Vivian Jill said the who was here fei na we ya sure say unia nya wa no na ade fa no keke wo betumi aye bibi wa hani wo be cover manana
anam say no ubata say me ya de aduane de me ya de
obroni wo ta okodo no yi mrika mi do ya me say hill na anim she o mpene she say munim she o say o mpefu shu she
I know
o pe slippers ye gina so be wodiane de na say no waje aduane ye mami o
so ba won fe
music asa o de
say o ba so I just saw the visa ba
sa na de na kwa ye obroni na McBrown's kitchen be den
me grandmother na tete me
okay
and every Christmas biano no ma ye di rere
wow
nti ye di rere aduana na nyime o me di jollof and salad
na no
nti enne de me se me ye rere nkwa am obi ehu se
brana wo ye bi
Me asantini ba.
Reverend Kwan.
But any akoko.
Reverend Kwan ni akoko.
But ude.
Nyame ni mi obia me ye Reverend Kwan wo McBrown's kitchen da.
Oh really?
Oh yes. I'm very very happy say na bronya pa no amaye special soup. Obrenu mami special.
Me see you now want to have first of all.
Mesa.
Na first no be the chewa na toy.
Me tis can toy.
Okay.
Nyame ani mi. Me tis ko. Ana mani so again.
Aye, come on. Bronya na ni edi.
Yeah, won ni akwa ni say enya mankola.
Na Reverend Kwan so asema wo ho no ma me nkasa wuntimi ana masi. Me nya na wa ye edi.
Okay, mbacho kan.
Ewi am yi ne nsa ba kuma wam de aka nyina kofie ne me ba kodi.
Oh, enya den sa wo maye memma. Na on say de metumi adada wa am aye wi. We oh, the car is my car. The kitchen is my kitchen. The key is for me. I'm in a crown and I say, who crown and salad, Mama Wunya. But then, Romano dear, mini problem. Tell me, I'm here chop one with Yache. Ingredient, Ben, dear Reverend Kwan.
And they say, and then they see hey. The best at here free.
One fool.
That's some issues.
Please. Then I'm okay. Wow. Hey, so back to the ingredients.
But you know body any na Reverend so any
Reverend ni
yache ne kakra one china de aduane na ya na makofo yem ye omo ya e na wo chin so ani so ma ne e brownie bebre e hye a e man kwan ne yenwuno e beta kakra e na akokọ na ye Reverend ntino wo de nantwinam ne ka ho a na ma ase then chinam sent na bemu kakra me share me honam toy
yes e fata me
too much ne nine na basa ne
na chi
na ya ba ye onions wa ha ginger wa ha a bit of garlic and then me ko so de ya na rere anyway no me kwa nkuma do ya na bofron and ye what tomato fresh tomato wa ha no ya me nchade. What do we have it here? Tasty Tom is the best.
Is the best.
And Kuma. And Kuma, dear, you're really an African coming back. Yes, where your friend carry me go.
Carry me go.
Yes. Then the Abayano.
I was after the Abayano. Na Yamin Chad, the Akokono, Yan Fire, San Kaya, Yan Yanushe, Obapa, Brony Vivian, Obe Jana Coco.
And that time in Intino, the person can be blended. You know, rare na mame.
On kwa betu mejo akoko no.
O de hwe me kakra. De me hia moa no. Me ka chi.
Oh, okay. Gra.
E na akoko se wu dwa ho. Ne na we mu no. We nye mfiri ho a. Salt ni bibia ginger na enwura na ni mu.
There be. Se na no wa she gloves o.
Ti gloves ni na meyi fa ato achene no. So what I say. E na ade bi won nem ha ntini bi no okay we kwade this wo twitwa
ai beyi nti sese no obroni dwa na kokọ no me so me be blende rere no na rere no obroni so wache dada
mache dada ti blend it
rere so de ne chi unya so blade unya hwe na so de agu chance ni frying pan mu be
e majana no nya din bebre
na unum sa kopem se na ne ye kan ne no anka wenke gu ayo ana ye si ansa
no hwe obetwi abre pa me na no be mu atwi sa we o se do so tibito
wona na nko a me ma me obeti may have so rest in peace obeti ubetwi ma trente tani nyina obeti atwi na na high sense blender da romantic wonya hwe gu mu sei ke na wo nsu as se betumi awo nsu no
ha wo nsu
we dey say nsu panti no wa wo nsu because eno ane nkwan no
na akokọ ne nine no
yes
ya bubu akire no
okay
ka so bubu akire ne kaka na
etimi akokom
me pa akokọ nine panti a me nya time ho
yanko no brother skills when are we
ade bi wa akokọ na chi ha se one fan tare ho anye mfi ho a so we akokọ na asa yetro
Okay.
Good. Thank you.
I'm so the tree so.
Kasebi wa ha.
So you say kase no. Free ho.
Asana wa be.
Hey, obroni skills in akokodwa.
And so bebu ne na ni mukaka.
Cooking skills. Afuna wani ate. As I fear, but still.
Man fit. Sebe ya betimi aso no.
Yeah. Still obroni dwa akokọ ho skills ya di dwa akokọ nie. Obi dwa akokọ anu otena beti. E den so abewa abetre. Eye da kase no mienu ntam wo space bi wo ho. Eno no wayie no.
Nkomane rewem.
Yeah, na wa kan nine nsana to so. Ewurade a obaye tete o. Ya nye o.
Senka na hanin ente de dade a mi dwa no.
Sente dada dia.
Enka mewai afa ho.
Oh, okay. That's right. Well. Akoko iso.
Papa.
Akoko ne so. No na nie. O hwa wo ma ho na ade adwa akoko.
Me mane no so ntiwe de.
Mane no so ntie ne.
Me pem se.
Atintim.
Se nso de anka me se twa ni se na. We de ne bona ye no. Akoko no wanyini.
Ne ho odin.
Ne kon no. So ye twa wie na ye huhu na ya na enye fe.
Yeah.
Tunde ya mpwa so kakra. Etocho. Na ye niti.
Yeah, na we ato atwene kiro.
Ne kon nti no. Ya no ama na chi na bia atwa ne kon so.
Okay.
Ne so bi beka so ama ne kon kon a.
Ama ne kase kra.
Ne to ne de out. Na we no so. Enam ne ho ti ama ne nya kase. Ti me pam tu.
Yes. Obu. Ocha. Straight to straight. Intinanie.
Ensom no so nkomo wo ho. Se ensom na.
Na yi.
E ho na ade ne nine ne be hihye no kon ho.
Okay.
Aka ne we ye kan ne
time no.
Time no. Arere hu ya na.
Aye bibia wo ho. Ebusuan for Vivian Jill nam ne no ha wadwa na kokko kama. Vivian, na ka say o ma ne no so. Omu ye say.
Omu ye mienu. Ai me ba panyi na me ne te ka ho ane aye miensa. Okay. Abeka me ma ho.
And the mass.
Chancing.
The chancing for the soup?
That's right.
Okay. Because now say I see it say, wa fa ba. I will broni kama say wa. Ono ne ketua no. Alfi.
Enche mesa wonach.
Enche.
Eye nyame pa.
Omodin aso besa wonach na odi uti ato akon. But the same color, the same size, but different gender.
Ene nyame nkasa mami.
Na nyame anya no mema 3. Na panyi no ofie sai.
Asemo. Na se ano nya 19 years.
19 years na tete kase no.
Ne papa no so a.
Na also so. Wow. Na also na usua na ofie sai.
Na me so pa enye san. Ena enye enkolabo na esem.
Yes.
Na say.
Na ho afa. Ena bra no che wo ye o na
ena me so wa. Nti no fu say mi manyini.
Wanyini. Ho afa na aso wa.
Bra hari ya.
Bra hari ko to ade bra mi ni bia. Me pe wa samba ji ade ni bia. Ena passion ba.
To obi esu no bra hari me mpesa ye me ya bra hari na chese. Ukwa menye me ye me.
Saka. Right. Me pesa. Me ya. Jame. Me kan. Me the sa.
Me cham mambubu.
At the end of the day, bra hari eja we japade.
Papa.
Na yakoba sa no. Wo ma me anka hwe.
Baby Harry will be he's so rest in perfect peace because ne mama kan kasa. Say no. And then say I the way neighbor.
Ya de na hinam no. Eba. Nti eba blend. You say this me hwe we na. Wo hwe ansampa. Vivian.
Chita.
Minim baby akọ school da.
Me started with perpetual international school bi wo. Nursing church.
Okay.
And now they call primary class 1. Na me JSS all.
Ready in suba no. Say ya. Say kwani ya chance ne so. Tie odin say ya. Prempe primary. And out to aso.
Yes.
Eko he.
Me banungwa secondary first second term.
Nungwa. You come to Accra.
First second term na mjani ko Kumasi.
Na ujani ko Kumasi.
Me ma meta ma me be friend me na me ko.
Wa antwa ma me.
Na me pay boarding house and na me ma me ntemase.
E na obeto wo Kumasi.
Ene asantini ma me a obo ne ba.
Ene obetua wo nyina na dwo no.
Obo me pa.
Kafra.
Na ba cho mama de na me fa me ko ne so nsi so.
Yes. Yeah, no I am meko. Abusuafo Vivian Jill Lawrence and then owo McBrown's kitchen bronya yi and wo boy bronya kwan saa no. Ti abusuafo ya blended ginger ne nko a. That's right. Intino. Ya blended ginger ne nko a yes on here. Okay. Said ya be ginger no. Homa bia mededa won kwan animu. Jumne mum yanya taste no. Right. E kon kwan anim
straight.
Uyo mum ye kwan page ne pa no bi no.
Ai jeni wo ma ne ma enam ne yede.
Ne ma nam ne yede.
En kwan be yeda. Fi said you be boss.
Fi said you be boss ye no ampa. Nti ye jeni no so ko ka ginger no ma meje a.
I show mommy salt.
You kwan ye nief. Tina na won perere no bebre because rere ndie. I sen katen wo ye den obagim. Ya de yanchine egu ye nam ne ho. Season kakra. That's right.
Also almost say rere no so wanye ni ye a. Na abobo. Eba bo to sa akatwa.
Yes. Titru almost say sa do enchine.
Na nam no so ya fancy na angu bebe
ya ye inte se o star be na ode
inte na ya me de me the way si just okata extend for some time e ma ni hu fast wa
okay ene ma fancy
just
e ba sa na ne nchini botokra gu nam no ho aye mopo inte sa de a won so wudi
na yes akatwa
akokọ nam ne mpam
acho mama de ni
hai
anam ne doso
right.
And I'm patching my fresh tomato no back up.
Remember fresh tomato back up.
Tasty tom wo hoy fresh tomato no gra. Man fa obi be ka se.
Obi be ka ntino. Ya be fa fresh this tasty tom will give you the same taste. Nti no so be konkwan ni won. Oh, okay.
Mostly me ya dia ya me seed ni free.
Oh, okay. Sa.
Ebi nyi be me de me mpe.
Say,
tomato na ambre pa obonse amekeka.
Yes, abusuafo McBrown's kitchen ye. Nkwan na egu so se de ya kire wo skills no doso. Rere no be chi wa de. Wa si ho ana wa blend. Uwi ase be am aponti no. Aya use Vivian style ni bi. Simple.
Esa be wi na aba. Na me ma nkwan no tasty tom. Why?
Ye man kwan ni tasty tom ho.
Egu so aye chi na.
Na ani no nsa akokọ nkwan. And say rare quine, even though rare way and there, white, a very fita. But still, tasty tom be make it difference, kakra. Yes. So I also paint into where you more be in an idea. Was it tasty tom be jumana? A baby na
kakra.
No. It's a of course, Uko Kumasano. Then be on our life for ye. I want to buy no.
Adventist Day now. From to me back from 3 na brahari. It's guess what? Obianim Ellen White me na ko Adventist Day.
Oh, okay. Ellen White ye film ye.
Ampa chai.
Ampa no so SDA. Oh. Sa
chai.
Me no na mu nyina oba so odwa we nyina na.
Time o kwasa.
Me no na mu nyina won se me hye den hu. Usuku ko mu sa ada o.
Mama bre. Brahari die no ma bre kakra.
Adenti na okasa wa bre. Owo.
On se obia wu wi a me ma won na nya ni je bia sa because I was in school and me ma me bu fu ye ni ade. Enti Brahari.
Okay.
And I mean, can you make a kit to maybe an America?
Ensu na wo hwe Clinton me gidi ye se na wakomam wani agye e chain sika e chain se wo gold gu komu ana se da safe mu because one kasa wa hwe wo ba no se university say
300
level 300 19 years one kasa wa hwe na o papa hwe no ansa na wo kwa na say
papa no asem na me bekin ti me wo ye 7 months na onya accident
oh
no bububu ho wa nanti bi ti me ba hye mechi that time me ma me adwuma sem oh no what the hell
when you yakoko ba ensu
oh there be na come na demiti
sa
ti na papa na emu abi
7 months
pepe
and on your accident no one nanti bio kopim se mfie nsia sensu ni or they call the crutch
me aso na me hwe emergency
of course
ti me nam sinu ma me kwa me ben na me wo mamienu
oh mami no hwe ukunu no hwe we obana so wow
na aidi
na bedi
sometimes me mami adwuma nyina be say ti my stress is gado e de me ba ne hye mechi me ko ne namfofo ho e bi mame ebi okwa me nya bi kra nti se me na
wo kro from ne
ashta sa na me meten off eno try no me pa me mame cho so ma ne metena yenye fie ho cause na yenye fie ho so me mame si de bi me ya akola onye me ho ade abusuafo ne beka ba me mame dwe hu se manigye no to ma ne ba
na wo ba
ona no na me ye fie for 8 years yeah
wow now do ba she wachi na stress
in nanti free north ko ashtown omo mame
ya broni that time na jail no cry esa who stress ka ya dem ko ka jail
classmate na hu obe from jail
who stress ka ya dem ko ka jail bro for dem who am fan stress ka into the ya broni na sa ya ro ho sam
ti kakra na my brother me di na chi that time no South Africa no buy ti obuy no hwe situation no say ya na ne ede ti me de ne beko amana kodi holidays kakra ti me bibia na me bisa be ma no na me mpese ne rebe ho ti san say Harry patro nu rere nim kakra ma
Harry menko
o say ya ko fiska bra o kona se e ho nya
bra
aba brantem ti me ko ene wa he target na me de ko ye na ti me be a restaurant e won number 41 Ebero Johannesburg enti ho ena ye yi woni eja ko movie ena me hwa ye na nam se o na guy am ne wo ho me brother ba akoko fi nam so go fi ade we me ko ga na metimi aye bio na sister we de se de no ho fa na ho si ya mesere no
ena se sister ne ho anika adwuma oye me ne eja ko metimi ayo kofi hwe me nia ba ma kokodu
na kofi no so you see word was so do you very for me so metimi aye
yeah
ene se me ba Ghana ti Ghana na me ba ye no na me be fa ne o masako be fa traditional clothes ne accessories ta kupa no then na ono mu difference ti me kwam de akobubu o mu say gold
okay
ti enu bi na me be fa ti ma fa ne o ma wi edi kan wa akra me ne madam fu bi baby be ketwa so shemia oto nurse ncheso ene ekotna
baby
ewo
asemo pe one bottle bi ahwe how far oh waden
ti ete ho na me
no
ete ho na me nya call
okay e ma mudi mo brabo mu nko okay mu num nsuo awake
se na me ekotna bus
okay
ti ya nu nsuo na no e na me nya call na me ka che me mia ne se me ba ti phone ni tare maso na oba ka che me so ba bia ma pack me car no obi ebewura ho so ma pack me car obi echi na me de phone ni tare maso se ya
ye nto so say the side say wa ho na bu
say ya ba ko penti anti na menfi no
okay ya me ko no so say be so abni o
na me ben ya magu
okay ana say wa pack obi echi Na call ya.
Dum we ne.
Okay. Oduma na so.
Reverend mama fake to ebi nka. Na ende meko no.
All right. We are now the way up pa no ama me ya.
Pe.
There be ina nkasa we no. Oh, oyema ba. Fancy baby ana je wa home. Yes. This is the soup. Hey. Inti aja wapa ki obi echi ne say.
Ni metu me car. Ti me ko paki we na me bae no.
Yeah.
E bae na bra bia betina. Akunya na metese. Na me so on so. Na me madam for ni so ya won ni na me se baby. O so ya star.
Where star?
E friend Adeleye.
Daniel Adeleye. Asam no kra jimen se mama blend ma dey. Inti Adeleye. And now to cause cobra.
O so obeye movie bi. Na am so bra me dey movie dey. Minye bi dawo na minima de ko so matchew. Enti me koba ye na ma me say ya krache na o so odu betwa sini.
Baba.
Waba na me de sini adwuma de me ma onye na dani sa be pa me ma me chewa ne o wa ha nka obeka rules and regulations wo ko na obeba time say e ma ne nkonom sa enko kire ne joto no enko ye ni say ma ne nko ro ne ho ne sa de no ene enko try into my first movie ye chana script ne ye Grass to Grace.
Yeah.
It take a whole 2-3 years and san about.
Inti aba no na script na ye den.
Kumasi abrabo. Nti Jackson na meka che no say adwuma no say de mu 17 ntimi. Ti menye na Jackson so be ye.
Obetimi aye.
Ti we frame me, na we frame me.
Afa de superstar. Me ba cho DJ o ha ma me nyumba ko ni fan celebrate. Wo pelumba nyuma na wo pa kwabo a. Minim say o mu nya yo favorite.
Oh, alright. E bia ye.
Unya kwabo a che no mame. Unya dade lumba de apeja no mame. Yeah! Oh, are you? Hey,
it's toto, everybo, nini na munu yempaba.
Yes. I got one there. I got one there. Yes. Abba. Akwabua Junior. Yes. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Najo lumba mame. Mesro pejame papa ye bra panyi yeso a.
Lumba bia ye lumba.
Lumba bia ye lumba ye betie lumba bia. Abusuafo McBrown's kitchen ye afishia pa. Ye checha mo afiefie mu. Ye rere nkwan na sija so. Ye fufuo so na aha. Ye woman ye wodu ire. Na se wan na be wo.
Atrai.
Ah. Nera na we.
Mindia wo kan, minim ye.
Ba uni wo.
Minim what minim ka. You know why? You see na nipa ne doso.
Yes, nti eche fufu wo.
Ti abi fufu no doso. Ti wo mane so. Wo market way there.
DJ pause it.
Me you should be. Me try me.
Okay, I work so na me papa.
So
So me nkwa metena ntem.
Oh, okay.
Me nkwa metena ntem.
So now what do you know what to say?
Say ya. Kakre.
Sata no one na hwan need.
Who be interview me wow. I will say for McBrown's kitchen. Ye be hwe ye dia nenene. Yakofom wo akọwo ni sesi ya. Ya McBrown's kitchen there. Ya won ka ni mu ne ma be dwure gu fom. Obi anim se de we fufu.
Ajiwe na mention chumba.
Ah, sister, who from San Mani Agio? Who from sister no mani age papa. Pinya wampo na. Bo mi lumba why? Ye di bronya. Afishia po. say teacher mama bro. Mr. Mama Manintrum. Oh, I'm from Space, Mamma.
Oh, my chest person.
I'm from Space, Mamma. That's my own going to put me. One for now. No, the father, Joe. And we know for me. Never done anymore. What's it that said? That's it, Mama. I want you. Chassis.
A hundred and I'm a hundred.
Chassis was some of you. Fache, no, Fache. I feel what we are over now, Fache, not it. The radio we are mobile.
Oh, yeah.
Obia over near Fache, no. McBrown's kitchen. Fache, not all Fache. Fache, not all Fache. Dear. I am someone you do. McBrown's kitchen. Hey!
That's how your friend is.
Chuperunia. Hey! Bache. Fufu di obi anim wo. Enti no. Eye.
Asa kan ba.
Aya kakra. Hey. Bache no don fache.
Ede serious serious.
Akaye ndema no do. Hey. Ajuma we, mitumi nya yo.
Dem.
We am sure ko ma say agbada ko nya no. Wo ma busia mo no. Obia pa de pa bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pe no bebre. Enu ti eba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. Enya aduane no de keke o. Enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu. When you ne chi die bio na me hwehwe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema oso. High sense bronya.
Don't for me. Someone that was in as a government, sound system, gas cooker, washing machine, mobile phones, me, much of myself. Jan Mudano, Nafi Brunia, as a Daruma, TV, fridge, this is and the air condition. Yeah, get this one with you.
Where can Matiso? Madam Hisense, Mr. Bora Hisense showroom. Vivian what showroom will be? Matete Suso.
We are sure.
Me are sure. Nina. Sabronya Busumi Wemu. Bora Hisense showroom. And a game shop will be a natural Hisense product for D.O.B. Bronya. Everything 8 December. I come in 8 January. Matete so. Matete Bibia to say.
And the Madam Hisense Kakata.
Hisense Nemena. Yatis so.
Oh, I am me.
Hisense. Everyday prices for everyday people.
351 251.
Charlie, why? Who know the?
Masa, make you look and disturb me at the play game. And you know, we see if you have one of your training bar. We be try me cook. We be try any tomatoes. We me to delay my cran. We go to dokuna kan manedi. Yeah, what you know, Papa? The man can't try walk on. She want to try and tomato sauce. So I know the ice cream.
Delay mackerel in tomato sauce.
Nampa dompenimu.
Hey, I was your boy. Menkwana and you want to meet me, sir. Hey, I know my beat. McBrown's kitchen. I done a pad there. I was your boy. I fish your boy. And I didn't everybody in there. ene edu twam reverend kwan ene fufuo enkumata na pampam courtesy Vivian Yabroni Lawrence Jill. Me the high sense yasio, me the tasty Thomas say, tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. The lamb mackerel and sardine, nampa don't pay in pet share like that. Sana awake. Mineral water. Ensure yebedidie. Papa, this one mama ya. Benum nie one for life awake. Other for chi me na me muao. Hey, chi me ooh. You TV so. Hey, na me space ni why. Obi ayi ame. Any. Mother Christmas. Already. Sister. O child na duru ho. What I have McBrown's kitchen. Say when him say yet ya. Hankwani show a oba. Wa ben no aduane awie no. Anya bia na me hu say ye do. Ya appreciate you. Me ntwa unya wate. Me ntimi ntwa unya. Kamanya 7 o'clock to apon. Aba.
Media.
O dia. High sense. Anya no nko a.
We so ka ho.
Eno so ka ho.
Na ne de bia ma mbe no.
Na se na no ba ne zo to ye.
Asa de bia me bam de we bi beko.
De bia unya wura hankwa de a. Wo de beko.
De bronya wi ama mes.
Wo be san ba. Wanya ya tum de anya na. Metete opa. Se minim fio. Se what nkran. High sense say me fa na wase. Se wo ba ye. Me ba no fa to ne niam. Na we so ye ono nko ande ane wo so. So wo bi dada. Ye ono nko ande ane wo so. Now so one say fridge na kwa hoho bebe fi. Obroni. Awake mineral water. 3 packs na wase. Royal cocktail, royal apple. Misrao. Fa coffee.
57.
Never serve ya hoho. Wow.
That's.
Na mi wie pe. Oh, photo ya brante bi na de ba cha mi o chuku de painter. Na mi shirao. O chuks. Na mi nwe yo. Bronya u be didi. Minimu sa wujina ka cha wonya aduane ba ako. Minimu ya broni minimu.
We so ka ho.
Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. And then the spaghetti. Obroni fa coffee. Na mi odile mackerel and sardine so wa. Ni urana there. No. But the sardine and the mackerel is yes. Every delay. Intimidate see her. Na
ya omunyinase.
Oh, yes, ya dase. Omunim dada.
Omo me fie ha ye de.
Pa.
Omuntimesan ba bi.
Obesan ya ba. Omu hwe. Enti aseda no, se de Vivian ka no. Eye mu dia. Na me hira mo. Obroni, let's go and eat.
Come me kwa me nie.
Oh, eno ama metwa abomi.
Sa.
Eh.
Come ma unsu.
Oh, Obroni. Benyasa. Don't do that. Na kabroni de odi fufonya asem ehia na ehia broni a abetena north
enye aduane pan so a me penso
sa ho waduane apa ye de yin
right
jollof money aduane anything rice and more jollof yeah abusuafo McBrown's kitchen here 23rd December 2018 na nam ni menua ye hye mu wa ha ye bedi aton sa didi o we order didi nti ya twa bom ana mangani
no
ana na yesi yense abon kwan no ni nyina kwan se ni nyina esia nti obrani wa bon pae
ana wo bebo
oh meta abon tibo
sa erade atiane ayi bedi te home my
amen.
Era was so wakaye ene amayensa akoya no. Amen.
Empa ehwam.
Obeguso na menzo.
Obroni guso. Attention. Me pa.
Opa hin. We. We say.
Fatima nima. Wo ka to open na ya na nsa madam. I'm checking you.
Okay.
Hey.
Nana. And that's to shame.
He is a corner, me penno.
Yeah, member.
Eh, corner.
So I'm quite one who said, you really are medical see me canning. Eh.
Me penam.
Baby.
Me penam problem.
We say,
Yes. Afiaso.
Fias Bain.
Yeah, Renam.
I feel wait.
Yini
and near dinner ye.
Nina no nene sano pe.
May you insanity okay.
Nina no come. Okay, me
and I Diana Sanaki.
Near Fabia Gwine, Quan cry. A dozen. They do.
Mamma Catasso.
And no better. When have you pan better me? We already do so, Miss.
Family.
No way, dear. You hear me? Me, dear, go on, quite also may turn on me answer.
What a quiet cheer to the sister.
Hey, Vivian Jill, my cousin, me, the woman who did that.
Oh, Tiffy sausage. Hey, fish your pet.
I feel well, sir. Damn it. Me and Jay go and was a woman me that them to me. Castle Brunin nature contomas it. So we are Brunin test of food on a shaman near Chile.
I am say.
Bomb to crew. Or some kind of noise. Well,
for a macassar mentioned damp.
Okay.
So me need the
oh. Yeah, near the bomb.
Oh, quite so.
Quite so, yeah, did bomb to know. When is that idea? Obadaku. I already did about boy come bedo. Upon your say, I'm sitting here, my ever. Yeah, then.
Ebe. You may be out as sanity. I saw your business class sometimes. Ebe conform kakra na sorry. Say I say homework here. Now you correct your mistakes.
I can some more.
Ebeboa.
Now, when we are doing my food, we can't anymore. Because we are senior, so maybe I said then like we are surviving. Because we can't do my cough from cardboard in our best drinking. And so there be a whole yarn effort. And I'll be an semi year, you might come, Juma. So I wouldn't say me and you might crab ya now in what about that spot me be a restaurant. I know because I'm working on a car wash be. Yeah, I'm a spot in any restaurant and I saw them. Okay. Oh, Kumas and answer. Mas Kumasi then must start. I cried then I start. I was. I was a sport, no. Oh, that's nice. Now you say what about na crab permanent now? Me my back a crab in yambai. On and off. Come in for Kumasi cranky. What crowd Kumasi? What crowd Kumasi? Now you're back at one and what to say? Yeah, pa. Ghana for I worry to me, papa. Ninja so about publish here. Which picture? Oh, my penny picture to be the mammy. Which be the mammy. Nana, no, Bibia, I was say, a private life and so on. Yes. And see, I dare also say what the bar one thing. Or by town out the bar. And yet, there will be a person who, and yes, I such a quaffle person who nakedness into Jari Ababi Jabontin Jari. Eh, Tina, you'll be person who not negative one, yeah. Or tell you are not quite what they are going to be. Would you agree? Well, young Yama. Into Ghana for to leave you alone. Did you forget it? Then here is a colony or no professional. Are you okay? There's only more issue. What do you say? You be glad though. What's only more issue? Go for her me now, then. Near show won't so. Be glad of Fry and was started to move. Said the assembly to be a main Germany and any as soon as you know, yes. Your mobile. Tell your can be. We don't ever go away from my mammy. No one queer semen, why Nipa Matisse. And I'm not on it. When you're on the way, you cried the baby. You're a grand, ready. Abishapo.
You'll be a shadow from Bruchaba because of me to see as many new kuna way.
Hey,
But Oba obedu ya obuse buse mu no. Na nu kura me nim no.
Wow. Anyway. I feel that your baby and saya. Maybe so better come room. When you have McBrown's kitchen here. For Christmas message. I'd be my fans. Any other four I hear.
First of all, memo obi a official pa. Na ya da nyame asese wa ma afi no akwa pro aba betu nyina.
More talk.
And na de bia me ma me ka asem bi me na nakra na e ka na me ma me be ka bi. O say
What is that?
O say Jimmy fo na eni ma asem a o ka bi. Jimmy fo na ni asem bi mu a obeka bi wate say yes nti no oka bi ba se onim nyansa we me say obetwen no hu na asem mu ye nti mesre madofo nyina se omuti asem bi aya omunsusu nkama ne nya ya emfa ye nyina ye ho na eye adwuma na ye me do obi bia se obi ohwe me movies obi opem asem obi a okai me won pa bom bia nya me nhira mo and then Merry Christmas once again. Nana makasa real.
Where are you? Oh. Let's hear it.
Miss Ankabi. Nanka said.
I was a foreign quantity quay. One find chamlet diane dear, Edda, you see it as he did. Manayade. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, he has seen. Casa, and also Casa. Casa.
Ain't you no the iron? You better high sense as a power, you know, nice and that.
High sense, you know, be asking. My come there, you can't there.
Near that tasty tom and rich tomato makes us him. Because I feel brilliant. And they are young wine. Yes, you don't love your BBR. May that delay mackerel and sardines. And pardon penny petcher like that. So, show me not person delay your business out of 4. Number near simple. 0546 768699. Fred George, Nene Ninsa was so. Obejo so kama. Me dia se da kese ma awake mineral water. Ye be party, ye be engagement, ye be to ye bedin. Ye be chiam wo fie adofo abesrae. Ye mpa awake nsuo, me mpa serve wo mu. Nsuo we nkwan metumi account. Awake. Na mada me sponsors ya wo mu di sika eta madwuma ya chi awie. Me ba me nua mo om di o ma ho oden. No nim die so boa. Fa phone. From head to toe, Beauty Bowl Salon and Spa, East Legon. My name Aligina Makeover, East Legon. Christmas ye, so worry and it's late. Beauty Boy yo tipe na Aligina yo makeup. Na nyonyo NYONY wo Instagram. Why ye were doing near mount wedding party. BBR oh bring
Amen. Let me have home, sir.
Nanyonyo. Say ananti da ni mwe na tan sa. Nanyonyo aye aduane ama. Nanyonyo ye ma wie pe. Tinko mo nchanse a ene fie niema pe bi. Na why party na wie bibia wa bra na wo pe venue cry party no. Apam Royal Beach Hotel. Eho wa pe venue aye party awie no. Wo sa atimi ko do honeymoon. Ukwa jiwa home we also had the money pie swimming pool near there a safe place. Into McBrown's kitchen ha and I'm the baby we me mamu nyina fishia pa. Afisa say me yetinkwam. Bible say so wo bibi bisa nyame bisa nkwa na de aka nyina obeden or the back count. Ti me sre nkwam obi bia madofo nyina me crew nyame nhramo me mama si afishia pa me mama kuna afishia pa me mama me mu kwada sukuma se baby bia obi ohwe me baby a wo bia me mama nyina afishia pa iga baby yo mwah.
McBrown's kitchen again beto McBrown's kitchen bring us McBrown's kitchen again beto McBrown's kitchen. Bring us all. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.